Welcome back to Unity Car, and today we've got something truly next level for you, the 2025 Triloft Camper. This isn't just a camper, it's a full-blown tiny house on wheels, designed for freedom lovers, minimalists, and modern nomads. Just look at its stunning three-wheeled structure, blending the classic charm of retro design with futuristic touches that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's sleek, compact, and unbelievably functional. At first glance, you might think this is just another stylish trike, but once that side wall opens up, it reveals a full-blown living space. Inside, you'll find a cozy bed with starlight patterns on the blanket, a fold-out table with 2 teacups, and a smart mini kitchen setup complete with a tiny oven. There's even space for a little bookshelf or a work corner. It's built for off-grid adventures, with solar panels on the roof, a hidden water tank, and eco-friendly power solutions, so you can live comfortably wherever the road takes you. And yes, there's soft lighting that glows like magic at night, giving the interior a warm, dreamy vibe. The Triloft is more than transportation, it's a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're escaping into the mountains, camping by the beach, or just want a weekend retreat without hotel bills, this camper has your back. It's lightweight enough to glide through narrow paths, yet strong enough to handle tough roads. The rear is designed for extra storage, and the exterior finish. A glossy red that turns heads wherever it goes. You can feel the craftsmanship in every curve, every bolt. It's a dream come true for solo travelers, digital nomads, or even couples who crave adventure without boundaries. Everything is designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. You get a convertible seating area, multi-purpose shelves, and the windows. They're panoramic, letting you wake up to nature's beauty every single day. It's affordable, eco-conscious, and built for a generation that values experience over excess. Imagine driving into the sunset with your entire home right behind you. That's the magic of the Triloft. So if you've ever dreamed of living on the road, this could be your perfect start. Don't forget to like this video if you love unique vehicles and subscribe to Unity Car for more amazing future rides.